Windows, you can direct download through this link. https://go.skype.com/windows.desktop.download. Open the Skype application and it will display as shown in the screen. Type the username on the blank that was given to you. Click the next button below. After clicking the next button, wait for a few seconds and it will ask for your password. Type the password that was given to you and please be careful in typing your password. Click the sign in button. After clicking the sign in button, it will display like this. Click the skip button. After clicking the skip button, it will show like this.